Go ahead.
Yeah, I know, Leon. I told you it's important for you to do your part. Leon, I'm not on the phone with you for a social call. I'm not your friend, sweetheart. This is business. You want to get paid, you do what I'm telling you. I even got Gilbert Billow himself involved. Yeah, that's right. No, he's not dead. He's not doing real well. Just retired. I shouldn't even have to pay you. You saved your sorry ass more times than I can remember. What am I doing? Not that I have to explain it to you, but since you asked, Mr. Billow's on some kind of meds that keeps him alive, but at the same time makes him dopey. But he thinks it's important enough to go off the meds so mind will be sharp the way it used to be. That way he can do the mountains of paperwork. But he can't stay off the meds too long. So it's back and forth. And anyway, get this. He called me a while back asking for my help in fundraising. Yeah, that's my involvement. I'm a coordinator loose end, so to speak. The government just discovered they overlooked his neighborhood. So they can A, fine every homeowner for back taxes and put liens on the property, or B, just come in and take over the entire neighborhood. What? Since when does the government care about the people? The damn politicians are bigger crooks than we are. They're all the same.
I knew that one.
Just have different faces so you can tell them apart. Come on, Leon. There hasn't been a poor politician since Harry Truman, so don't give me that crap. Hey, Putz! Don't you ever say to me, we'll see. Okay. I knew I could count you in, Leon. Thank you, Mr. Mayor.
Who was that?
That was a wrong number.
So now I know what this is all about. And the mayor yet.
This is Dumont.
Did you come out of retirement too?
I had to retire. In Florida, crime dropped so much, the mafia had to lay off 7 judges.
Have you always made money out of crime?
The only people who make money out of crime are the lawyers.
Like Mr. Billow.
He's not getting a penny out of this transaction. Mr. Billow is an honest man. I wouldn't put myself on the firing line for anyone else.
You're a fine man, Mr. Cohen. Why do you feel it necessary to break the law?
Someone once told me, laws are like spider webs, where the big flies pass and the little ones get caught. Anyway, what can I tell you? I was looking for some excitement, and I needed an excuse to get out of Brooklyn to spend my winters up in the north.
You said the work you gentlemen are doing is just about completed?
That's correct.
Then go. Go now, please. Leave quickly.
I only need him for a few more hours. Then you can put him back on his medication.
That's not what I mean. The tax appraiser said he's going to report you to police if he hasn't done so already. You've done enough, Mr. Cohen. Go back to Florida. You gotta leave before he gets here.
Oh, when's he coming back? I do miss him so.
Is somebody still awake?
No.
Oh, I thought I heard talking.
No, you didn't.
Did I? Yes, I go back to sleep.
Like a Cupid doll.
Can you get Mr. Billow? He's supposed to be up. I want to get an early start.
All right. Can I ask you one question?
You can ask.
Is the front door left unlocked?
No.
Then how'd you get in?
I already answered you one question. That was 2.
Wait a minute. If I'm sleeping, how did you answer me?
I didn't.
Oh.
Hello, Tyler? Are you still the best driver in town? It's Vito. What do you mean, how did I get your number? You're in the witness protection program, aren't you? Then it's easy. Tyler, don't... Calm down. What's your problem? Oh, you took a sleeping pill instead of Viagra. So, why are you so excited? Ah, now I know. Look, now you always know. Never take a sleeping pill and a laxative at the same time. Hyla? Hyla?
Who are you on the phone with, Vito?
Hyla Dixon.
Nah, I don't talk to him. He's full of shit.
You don't know how right you are. Hyla said he was taking Viagra. You think he's having sex?
Him? Having sex? If he takes Viagra, it's only to keep him from falling off the bed.
Oh. You want to grab something to eat?
No, I just ate a chicken sandwich, and it didn't agree with me. I eat out of habit, not out of hunger. You know, in my family, prune juice is considered a beverage.